Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be doing a short demonstration of the iCarsoft POR version 2.0 kit. We're in a Porsche Cayenne here, and as you can see we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard there. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So as I say, this is the iCarsoft POR version 2.0 kit. It's plugged in, one end of the cable is plugged into the tool and the other end is plugged into the diagnostic port right under the steering wheel there. And what we're going to do here is, first of all, actually I'm just going to click onto the setup option, because I'm just going to get rid of this buzzer because it can be quite annoying. So I'm going to go through the diagnostic section of the tool. I'm going to click onto Porsche. We'll just work our way through until it gives us an option to actually find our specific vehicle. So we are looking for Cayenne, and this is Cayenne before 2010, and this is the one we're after, Cayenne 92A 2011, because this is a 2012, I believe, or 2013, sorry. Okay, so we're going to click OK to that, and we're going to click onto manual. That doesn't mean it's a manual vehicle, it just means we're going to manually select the system in which we wish to diagnose. So we'll click onto that, and then we'll scroll and find the airbag system, which is here, AB, airbag. Depending on the vehicle, it might be POSIP, P-O-S-I-P, but in this vehicle it's displayed as airbag. So we'll click enter, and we should get an option to read DTCs. It's giving us one of two fault codes here. So we've got B100B1B, and the description is driver side airbag, so that's the right hand side in this particular car, limit value exceeded, and U112100, communication with instrument cluster. So the fault is giving us a fault with the driver's side airbag. Now generally what that will probably be is a connection underneath the driver's seat, and that's exactly what it was in this case, because when we had a little look around underneath the driver's seat, we did find a loose connection under there. So that's what is causing the airbag fault. And what we can do is simply just come back here, because we've connected everything back together. So we click onto clear DTCs, and when we do that we should see this airbag light disappear. So I'm going to click OK, click enter, and there we go, erase operation done. And as you can see, the airbag light has completely disappeared from the screen. So it's all thanks to the iCarsoft POR version 2.0. I'll be doing another video explaining all of the features and functions of this particular vehicle, this particular kit on this vehicle. So just a quick reminder, thanks for watching, and if you are interested in the iCarsoft POR version 2.0 kit, then you can pick it up at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. And I'll also put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.